Turn this side. We have one bird here, beautiful bird called as silver pheasant from China, a native to China. Do you all know pheasant family, right? Peacocks, rooster, and some beautiful birds will come under this pheasant family. And all pheasant family of birds, male bird would be a bright in color. Do you know why? To attract the female. And all female birds are dull in color because female birds, they have more responsibility in the wild. Okay. So K-type character chicks and young ones, they are dull in color and it will help them to camouflage in wild. We don't have any female bird here, but female birds, they are brown in color, like a soil color. It will help them to easily they can camouflage. And this one is a male bird. He's around 8 to 9 years old. They can live up to 28. They are omnivorous in nature. Like they eat both insects and seeds, vegetables, fruits also. You can all turn that side. We're going to meet some unique fish. Yeah. ಬನ್ನಿ ಯಾರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಓದಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಬಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ವಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರೋದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಪೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ and keep see can't make any noises here because the fishes also get scared. See, don't make noises here. Okay, first I'm going to talk about this enclosure. This setup is called as